Santos in Brazil. Scania was not aware of the cocaine in the container. The drugs were seized and taken to the Maiden Wharf police station. Prior to the DPCI arriving at the depot, members from border policing visited the company and placed a detention order on the container.
At this stage, show photo 1. So if you can just describe that photo, General.
The photo depicts containers, Commissioners, that's offloaded from vessels that docked in the harbor.
And then photo 2.
Commissioners, that is a photo that depicts the consignment of cocaine, or by then suspected cocaine, that was found in the back of the shipping container immediately upon opening the doors.
Before you proceed, you want to ask a question on this? General, can you just explain the role of border policing in exercises such as this? Here you say border policing arrived or got there before the DPCI. Would they have gotten there because of a tip-off, or is this just part of the normal protocols that they
Commissioner, in this specific case, they also received information about the possible narcotics that was hidden in that container, and that is why they arranged for that detention order to be placed on it. So it was just a time lapse, a short time lapse. So obviously their primary responsibility is within the harbour precinct, and then to perform duties within their mandate as border policing.
And in performing, in the normal course of performing that mandate, would they do the kind of inspection that you say, for example, customs randomly does on shipments? I'm just trying to understand practically what, on a day-to-day basis, do they have a role either by protocol or just practice that they could be part of the chain of discovering illegal narcotics, for example?
Commissioner, I do not have detailed knowledge about the roles and responsibilities